What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And no, this is not a vlog, and this your boy DJ Cruze speaking. All right, now I'm taking time off the vlog, guys. Yeah, I know, but you know what? The reason is because as I was vlogging, I was getting a lot of messages from DJs. They were like, hey Cruze, can you share some of your mixing techniques? Can you share some of your go-to songs? So you know what? I'm taking time off the vlog, but I promise once I come back, I'm bringing nothing but fire content, all right? Now, I was going on YouTube and I saw all these type of mixing techniques. There's the blend, there's the speed mixing, there's the EQ mixing, and then there's the fade out mixing, all that good stuff. So I'm gonna share my knowledge with you guys because I probably do 90% of these mixes unconsciously, okay? Now, when I was on YouTube, there was one common thing that I noticed. All these mixes were perfect, all right? Now, I don't believe there's such thing as a perfect mix because there's more to music, because all these examples were all EDM, a BPM of 126, all right? There's a lot more music. There's the 50s, 60s, you got your 2000s, all right? Then you got your salsa, you got your cumbias, where all those musics were actually orchestrated in live person, all right? They weren't done on the MIDI controller, so this is where I actually have to have a little bit more of a technique of how to blend them, right? Now this message came on Instagram from Jonathan D96_. He messaged me, he was like, hey Cruze, I'm having this big event in November and I want you to share your mixing techniques in regards to salsa and cumbia. Now funny story is, one of the DJs that I used to work with, he told me, if you can blend salsa and cumbia, you're good, all right? Now, before I get started, make sure to hit me with that subscribe, and don't forget to give me that thumbs up. So once you give me a thumbs up, I know I'm doing something good and I can give you guys more tutorials in regards to that. But now, roll the intro. Okay guys, for demonstrational purposes, I'm using the Pioneer SR1 controller, which is gonna resemble most controllers people have at their house. Now, for my program that I'm using to mix, I'm using Serato DJ Pro. You can use Serato DJ. You can use Rekordbox, Virtual DJ, or Tractor. It's all the same. The principle applies to all boards, okay? Now, one of the hardest genres to mix is salsa and cumbia, and the simple reason is this. Back then, those people used to play live, so it's not synchronized. So sometimes you're going to have to slow down your jog wheel, and sometimes you're going to speed up the jog wheel. It's all comes to how you hear the beat coming, all right? In this demonstration, I'm actually going to do everything horizontal, and for the simple reason, it's easier, and many DJs actually do that because that's how they read. You know, they read left to right, and that's why I'm going to set it up this way, all right? There's no right or wrong way of doing this, but this type of genre of music, you just want to be cut and dry. You want to be as quick as possible because you don't want to sound like an amateur. Now, the first transition I'm going to teach you guys is just the drop and go. Basically, once the song is on, boom, you go right into it. Now, I do get a lot of smoke on this on the internet. So basically, people are like, Cruze, you can't find a break. I can tell you 97% of times I can find a break. And this song actually shows that. Even though this song is older than I am, I can find a break. And just by looking at it, I can tell you there is one. And I'm going to show you. If you look over here, right in this circle, that's showing that it's nothing but an instrumental part. And salsa is one of those type of genres. You can play less of it for longer periods of time because it's an intimate and it's a romantic type of dance, okay? So now for demonstrational purposes, we're going to start with the first transition, which is the drop and go. This transition, basically, you just want to use it. Once you're done playing reggaeton or whatever, you're going to go right into it. All right, to speed up the process, I'm going to go right into the break and blend in the next song. Notice that my BPM is 98. Even though it's telling me it's 98, it's probably not really 98. It's maybe more like 99 and 100 beats per minute. But I'm going to try to use this as close as possible. You ready? You see, that's the break. My BPM is at 98, so let's see how it goes. 4, 3, 2, 1. You see, it has to be really quick because if you notice, I was getting off beat a little bit and it happened. So you just want to be real quick and cut and dry with this type of genre of music, okay? Now, my next song that I'm using a bachata. I'm going to just do a quick dry. It's real simple, real easy. And if you notice, I didn't mark this one because I know that's not a real true cue point. So I just found my cue and kept it moving. All right, so if you notice, something really easy like that. Again, I can find you a break and I will find you one. There's one break. You see, you can find a break. You don't have to worry about it. There is a break in every song, and this proves my point. But again, there's no right or wrong way of mixing. You just have to do what you have to do, all right? Now, for demonstrational purposes, I'm going right into like a mambo type of music, but I'm going to go into the break, and I'm going to show you that you need that break so people can be like, all right, he just came from bachata to merengue, so let me get my stepping on, all right? Here goes. 4, 3, 2, 1. And this is the time where you want to hype the people up. You're like, yeah, everybody on the dance floor, everybody come and dance some bachata or come dance some merengue, whatever you want to do. This is the time to build yourself up. Okay, guys, my last transition is pretty much the same thing as the salsa. If you're going to do that type of transition, you got to make sure that it's a song that is popular and people are going to recognize to get everybody on the dance floor. Like Suavemente is one of them, and this is another one. Especially this type of song where it has a lot of high energy. I've noticed that most songs that have high energy, I don't blend them in for the simple reason the song is going to sell itself. So you don't want to waste that time and trying to be like, hey, everybody on the dance floor. Once they hear the song, everybody's going to go straight to the dance floor, and this is one of them. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. I hope you learned something from it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. I will reach out to you as quick as possible. And with that, guys, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for all my latest updates. And with that, your boy signing out. Peace.